cooking?
I'm cooking too.
Mommy, what's he doing?
He's making dinner for us.
You-
I'm making dinner.
Be
Okay?
careful. Mommy, are you watching?
I'm watching him really close.
All right.
Really close.
Okay? But I'm going to turn it over so he can finish cooking.
Mmm.
Oh.
It looks like you're doing a good job, Alex.
Yeah. Almost ready. Hold on, let me finish this so you can finish cooking. Okay, go ahead and cook.
Okay.
Okay? Watch him switch hands because he's left-handed. See?
Left-handed. All right. Good. Good.
You're so good at cooking. Are you making us dinner?
I'm making the dinner.
Okay. Try and go like this, okay?
How's it going?
How's it going?
Is it going good?
It's good too. It's gonna burn.
It's not gonna burn. You got it.
Careful.
Careful,
Yeah.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be burned.
Mm-hmm. It's not gonna be burned. Good job. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Good job, Alex.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, all done.
Yep.